Before this video starts, you need to know two terms. NFT, non-fungible token that uses advanced technology to show proof of ownership when you purchase said NFT. OpenSea, an online NFT listing marketplace where you can buy hundreds of NFTs. Hello and welcome to the first video on Metaverse Gaming. Today, I'm going to be giving you a video to help you get started on playing Cryptovoxels, which is going to be going over 7 talking points, including if Cryptovoxels is fun, where to play Cryptovoxels, what the in-game economy is like, the cryptocurrency/token Cryptovoxels is, and what blockchain it uses, what to buy with cryptocurrency and Cryptovoxels, how to make actual money off of Cryptovoxels, and a hypothetical question we'll get to at the end. These talking points will help you know whether Cryptovoxels is worth spending time and money on or not. First of all, I'm going to be giving you my opinion on if Cryptovoxels is fun, and to me, it is. It allows users from all over the world to create a virtual city full of shops, museums, mazes, etc. What I really like about the museums is that you can actually buy what you see in the museums. This is done by left-clicking on whatever you see and clicking the Go to OpenSea button, where you can buy the art, or whatever you have. And after you have the NFT, why not check out a maze, or look at some pixel art? There's really an endless amount of buildings to discover. Secondly, I'm going to be telling you to actually play Cryptovoxels. Cryptovoxels is a free-to-play game that can be played on a couple of devices, which includes your computer at cryptovoxels.com/play, and you can also play Cryptovoxels on Android. I'll put a link to both of the ways to play Cryptovoxels in the description. Third, let me tell you what the in-game economy is like. The way the economy works is by buying and selling NFTs on OpenSea, which I've previously discussed. These NFTs can be art, or you can buy/sell virtual land. Cryptovoxels running on OpenSea means that the currency used in the game is technically your local currency. That allows you to use basically whatever currency you have to buy what's in the shops. Here's a little Cryptovoxels tip. When you first get into the game, I would turn your sound off. As soon as you get in, people will just start spamming fart sounds, horrifying messages, and honestly, it's not something you want to hear the whole entire time that you're playing the game. Fourth, let me tell you about the cryptocurrency/token for this game and what blockchain it uses. To answer this, I had to do some digging, but I ended up finding out that Cryptovoxels used to use a token called COLR, and it was used to buy colored blocks in-game. However, this token was killed off all the way back in June of 2020. As for blockchains, this game is built on the Ethereum blockchain, and it uses OpenSea for transactions. Did you know that Cryptovoxels was first made in June of 2018, with the first land sales selling to the author's friends and family? Fifth, I will be describing what you can purchase with your cryptocurrency. You can currently only buy 2 things, those being lands, what you need to do any building and creating, and NFTs, which are displayed in shops. These shops sell items that include but are not limited to art, audio, and games. Sixth, let me tell you how to earn Ethereum off of this virtual game with very little effort. First, you want to find a land that looks good and head to OpenSea. In OpenSea, you want to make an offer on said land. If you win, go to Cryptovoxels and start building a shop. In said shop, you need to display as NFTs for people to see. When this is done, over time, people will see your NFT and go to OpenSea, hopefully making an offer so you can make money. While I'm talking about these facts, let me tell you about my personal experience while playing Cryptovoxels. For me, Cryptovoxels is very easy and fun, with being a little confusing at first because you didn't exactly know what was going on, to immediately knowing, oh, there's a bunch of shops and I know what I'm doing now. I now walk around, I can explore mazes. I've seen so many fun little Apple stores and memes. It's honestly hilarious. If you guys have the chance, I would really get into Cryptovoxels and maybe even make shops, because you make a little bit of money and you get to play games. What's not to love? Finally, let's get hypothetical. Let's say you had $1 million to spend and wanted to invest all of it into Cryptovoxels and try and make money. I would only say that it would be a worthy investment if you have hundreds of hours to put into building shops. Then, you would also need NFTs to display at every shop. Most likely, just putting one NFT at 50 shops won't do you very good, since people want to buy things based on if they like it and not if they see it 500 times. After that, you wait a couple weeks and boom, you've made a couple dollars. Now you can either sell all your shops and land and make your money back, plus whatever you sold. And that concludes the first ever video on Metaverse Gaming. Please like, share, and subscribe to help me continue these videos and to bring you your tips and tricks for your weekly cryptocurrency games. See ya.